then you turn it this way. Then
You won't be able to get into the cough medicine.
Why?
Because you won't.
Why?
Because you can't. Because it's childproof.
I'm a child.
Yeah, you're a child, but you can't open it because it's for child safety. It's a special thing that you have to do to open it. Because it won't open.
Can you please open it?
Well, no, because you don't need it because you haven't even got a cough, have you?
Oh yeah, what? I have got a cough, see?
No, you haven't got a cough.
No, that's not fake, Daddy. It's real.
What's real?
What I just done.
What did you just do?
I just coughed. See, I do need some cough medicine.
You don't, because that's a pretend cough.
It isn't. Excuse me, it isn't.
It is. It's not a real cough that you've got, is it? See, you're not coughing, are you? So you don't need it. Have you got a cough?
Yeah.
So do you need some cough medicine?
Yeah.
You don't. You're a pretender, aren't you?
I'm not. I'm not actually pretending, Daddy.